Rodeway Inn getaway for two. We enjoyed ourselves being in a safe and clean environment. Clean room, very clean room, they just remodeled, thanks. Exceptional. Besides the owner being rude at times, it was okay. You get what you pay for though. Meaning a rude owner, who likes money so he is easily persuaded. And don't forget the roaches. Room was clean for real for real. The staff was nice, the room was clean, no normal motel smell. Only issue was the shower water only got a little above warm, but other than that it was cool. They are doing some renovations to the property, so excuse their dust. Be prepared to pay a 40.00 deposit for the key and remote. Since this is not stated on the website, I would stay again. There is a Target in Big Lots across the street, a 7-Eleven, 2 gas stations, and it's right next to the freeway. Lots of convenience for things. It's good for the money and I slept well. Great little place, great value. Bob is awesome. Cheapest price in town. The price is the cheapest you will find. It's a real budget. The people in general area are not great, but in a pinch it is definitely better than staying in a car. I just wish there was microwaves in the rooms. Getting better. Sometimes I struggle to submit a review, but I think they deserve it. They've come a long way since I first started coming here. There isn't a review that I would say was a lie, but definitely see improvement in the facilities. Rooms still need some love, but I can say improvement is here, and best of all, the office staff isn't so bad after all. I still have issues the main housekeeping ladies, but the rest are okay. I see some improvements, surprised but pleased.